Hi, I'm Olga, and this is FDA AI Navigator. Do you know how many AI-enabled devices right now approved by FDA? Over 1,000. And there's over 600 companies, and there's so many regulatory pathways. So let me tell you the story. There's so many FDA records, but intelligence is very fragmented. And if you, like me, researcher or software developer, you have so many questions. Has a device like mine already exist? Which pathway should I take to get my device approved? And what else, if you, like me, researcher, exists in this area? And FDA AI authorizations grow exponentially from 2016 to 2026, as you notice, the number is increasing. And it is hard to trace and track all those devices manually. And we go beyond search. Think about it as regulatory intelligence. We provide several levels. It's not a search box, it's not a chatbot. It helps you find, understand, and also prove. So this story is for three persona. For anyone in, let's say, startup, like myself, also a researcher, or if you're a clinical evaluation lead. So the questions are for startup, what has already been approved? The question for researcher, how's the market structure? And is entry still accelerating? What if you're clinical evaluation lead? You need to verify the vendors, not just go through search or try to read documentation. So our multi-agent pipeline allows you not to just get your answers, but also have all your answers checked. The Google ADK orchestrate our agents, but also provide deterministic service to make sure it's all validated and cited. So we go from intent agent with the question from the user, like myself. We go into the FDA search agent that get enriched and then provided with regulatory analysis, and finally give you evidence and get validated. So our rule is every citation is verified against the current FDA record, so there is no hallucination. And our system architecture is very rich. We start from FDA API in Google platform. In between, we use Google Cloud Run to deploy serverless application, and we use Fast API as backend that deploy in Cloud Run, and also we use ADK agent grounded in Gemini, and finally front end is React that also deployed to Cloud Run, and our data is currently in SQLite, for which we use deterministic agents with no hallucinations, and summarization and question answering provided by LLM. So if you look at app in action and it is deployed, follow the link. There's a couple of steps. You can ask Navigator. You can wait until multi-agent pipeline finished and result is provided. So today it is FDA AI devices. We can ask Navigator, we can get market intelligence, and we can get explainable evidence. Tomorrow we hope to provide more guidance, provide semantic search, similarity search, and hopefully provide more intelligence. This is our device in action. We have multi-agent that serve as your assistant. Thank you. Hope you can look at our tool, and looking forward for your feedback.